Hey everybody, it's Matthew, and I want to show you something cool. So, building on the brand, right? We are affiliated with Coldwell Banker because they do so much powerful international marketing for us. We're finding that we're getting a big boost on Thursday nights, and the reason we're getting a big boost on Thursday nights is because of Coldwell Banker's affiliation and sponsorship of NFL games through on Amazon that play on Thursday nights, and they're tying it to the Movemeter. So the Movemeter is something that you all have access to on your Moxie websites, and what it allows people to do is to type in the city or state that they're in and where they want to go, and it shows them comparison of cost of living and weather, a whole bunch of other things on there. And so we want to create some social media assets so that on Thursday night when Coldwell Banker is running this, or actually the day before, we want to get some attention from our consumers to tie into that brand recognition. We can create an asset to help promote the football game. Now you can do this for any sports event that's coming up. I'm just choosing football right now. That's where we've seen the biggest peak of traffic and activity. And so I'm going to go into my CB desk, and when I log in, you're going to see a bunch of tiles here, and one of them will be Marketing Center. If you don't have Marketing Center, go into here and click on Add App, and then add the Marketing Center. Then I'm going to log into Marketing Center. All right, so when I get into this, now these are all the projects I've been working on in here, and so I'm going to go to New Project, and I want to start something from a template. And it's going to show me all the Coldwell Banker templates. So I'm just going to start with Move. And I'm looking for the Movemeter. And you'll see there's two Movemeters here with the shield. And then there's one that's just your regular iPhone looking thing, which is pretty cool. But I personally want this Movemeter. Now, the first one, if you hover over it, it's going to say Brand Post. Brand Posts are the ones that are, they're created by Coldwell Banker. They are what they are. The one I want is customizable. So I'm going to look at and hover over it and look at the little title, and it'll say Movemeter Matchup Social Media Images - Customizable. That's the one I want. And I'm going to say, yep, I want to use that template. And it's going to create a version of that in my project folder. And when it comes up, it's going to show the two default cities it already has there. So I want to think about this. And let's say, I don't actually know who Commanders are playing this weekend. I guess I can look it up, but let's say it's Dallas. They're playing Dallas, Texas against the Commanders. So we're going to say Washington, DC. And so we want to launch this Movemeter here. And so let's pretend that this graphic here is representative of Dallas, Texas. So we're going to leave that one. And I want to replace this one with something that looks very DC-ish. And so I'm going to go over here to Stock Photos. And I'm going to drop this down to Unsplash. And I'm going to look for Washington, DC. And it's going to come up with a lot of pictures and graphics that I can choose from DC. So I'm going to go with this one with the cherry blossoms there. And I'm just going to drag it over. When you see it kind of gray out the other one and you release, it now replaces what was there. So now I have something that's from Dallas, Texas to Washington, DC. And I have now created a graphic that I can download and share. What I would do with this is share it to the Movemeter page on your website. So if you have, when you share this graphic on Instagram or Facebook or wherever you're sharing it, I would add a link in the description. Hey, if you want to check out how your hometown ranks up next to ours, go to, in my case, vahomeplace.com/Movemeter, and they can actually interact with Movemeter. So there it is. And then hit calculate, and then it's going to take them there. Now, again, they're going to hear this is kind of a fun toy for them to go play with. And it gets them to their website. They can look at housing information, quality of life, job, living affordability, just kind of playing around with this. They can edit, they can change it, and then they can reach out to you if they have questions or they think it's just a way to get them to your website and to have something to get them to take action in your social media. So I think this is a pretty cool tool and pretty good campaign. So definitely take advantage of it. And if you don't have the Moxie Movemeter on your website, it's easy enough to go set up. Just go log into Moxie Works, go to your website, add a page for Movemeter. It'll create a URL for it, and you can share that. All right. Good luck.